my unit starting up. I don't know if you caught that. Here's my unit running in full mode. Okay. The lower camera. For you guys. That's cold and sweaty already. That's warm. Ambient temperature. This is cold, sweaty. And we'll have to check out the start of the video if I caught that. This is a Lennox ELETE 2-stage from 2009, if you can see that on the data sticker. This air conditioning system cools the upstairs, and by the way, welcome to the McGuire Life. This is Jeremy McGuire, and if you just found my YouTube channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoy what you see on my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And I am giving a special shout out to the Weekend Buds, host by Case Keel. And this is a 4-ton Goodman central air conditioner. It cools the downstairs. Now, the downstairs furnace is a Lennox electric heat. And this unit, like I said, cools the upstairs, but it's matched with a Lennox gas heat furnace. I don't know what compressor is in this unit. Y'all leave a comment and down in the comment section below of this video. I will be uploading this video, and I got another video uploading right now to the McGuire Life, and I missed the start up on it. I'm uploading it anyway, so y'all can watch the video when it's uploaded. So, almost to the date, almost about 2 months ago, the high pressure switch had tripped and had to get the AC technician out. And I'm giving a shout out to Ronnie Lightfoot, who came out and fixed the unit. And he had a helper with him, and he checked the capacitor, he checked the wiring, and he noticed that the high pressure switch was tripped and had to clean the coil. I tell you guys, this old girl was wearing a fur coat, and this unit used to run all the time, and it wasn't good because it took it longer to cool the upstairs. And now this air conditioner cycles on and off like it should, instead of staying on all the time. Plus, it was wasting money, and it wasn't being energy efficient. So, I tell you, this unit running real good. Blowing out hot air. Okay. Feel the it's cold and sweaty. And it is about 89 degrees out here right now. This is a 60,000 BTU, 5-ton, and this is a 4-ton. And it has the R410A refrigerant, not R22, but you can convert this unit to run off R22, but R22 is getting very expensive and hard to find now because they don't make R22 units anymore. And this is a R410A system too. And here's the data sticker on it, if you want to see that. I don't know what fan motor this air conditioner has, but I think it's the original motor. Listen to that. Ain't that satisfying? Well, alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if it was entertaining, leave a comment section. No, just leave a comment in the comment section below. And remember, be humble and kind. Do not hold any grudges against anyone, because all that is bitterness, and it will bring you down, and it will not let you fly off the ground. So you gotta love each other and be there for thy neighbor, and God loves you, and I love you with all my heart. I love you guys. And have a blessed evening. Enjoy your weekend.